Answer 2026 to 2027. Class 10. English Literature. A Letter to God. Most important exam-oriented questions and answers. In one short video. 21. Explain the irony in the story, A Letter to God. Answer. The irony in the story is that the post office employees helped Lencho by collecting money for him, but instead of thanking them, Lencho called them a bunch of crooks. He believed that they had stolen part of the money sent by God. Hint: helpers called crooks. 22. Describe Lencho's character. Answer. Lencho was a hard-working and simple farmer with strong faith in God. He was honest and hopeful, but also naive because he doubted the post office employees even after they helped him. Hint: faithful, hard-working, innocent. 23. Describe the postmaster's character. Answer. The postmaster was kind, generous, and helpful. He was moved by Lencho's strong faith in God and collected money from his employees and friends to help him without hurting his faith. Hint: kind-hearted helper. 24. Faith can move mountains. How is this idea reflected in the story? Answer. The idea, faith can move mountains, is reflected in the story through Lencho's strong belief in God. Even after losing his crops, he did not lose hope and wrote a letter to God for help, which inspired the postmaster and others to help him. Hint: strong belief in God. 25. How does the hailstorm change the course of the story? Answer. The hailstorm completely destroys Lencho's crops and brings great suffering to his family. This disaster changes the course of the story because it forces Lencho to seek help from God by writing a letter. Hint: disaster leads to letter. 26. Lencho had faith in God but not in man. Discuss with reference to the story. Answer. Lencho had complete faith in God because he believed that God would surely help him after his crops were destroyed. However, he had no faith in human beings because he thought the post office employees had stolen part of the money and called them a bunch of crooks. Hint: trusted God, doubted humans. 27. The postmaster had mixed emotions while opening the letter. Explain. Answer. The postmaster had mixed emotions while opening the letter because at first he laughed at Lencho's unusual letter to God, but later he was deeply moved by Lencho's strong faith. He admired Lencho's belief and decided to help him. Hint: laughed first, then emotional. 28. According to Lencho, the post office employees were a bunch of crooks. Do you agree? Answer. No, I do not agree. The post office employees were kind and generous because they collected money to help Lencho. Lencho called them a bunch of crooks only because he wrongly believed that they had stolen the missing money. Hint: they were actually kind helpers. 29. Describe Lencho as a hard-working farmer. Answer. Lencho was a hard-working farmer who depended completely on his fields for survival. He worked day and night in his cornfields like an ox to earn food and support his family. Hint: ox of a man. 30. How does Lencho show complete faith in God? Answer. Lencho showed complete faith in God by writing a letter asking him for 100 pesos after his crops were destroyed. He strongly believed that God would surely help him in his difficult time. Hint: letter to God. 31. Why is Lencho called simple and innocent? Answer. Lencho is called simple and innocent because he had blind faith in God and believed that God would directly send him money. He also innocently thought that the post office employees had stolen part of the money. Hint: believed God sent money. 32. Why did Lencho lack faith in humanity? Answer. Lencho lacked faith in humanity because he believed that the post office employees had stolen the missing 30 pesos from the envelope. Therefore, he called them a bunch of crooks instead of thanking them for their help. Hint: suspected postal employees. 33. Describe the postmaster as a kind-hearted man. Answer: the postmaster was a kind-hearted man because he was touched by Lencho's faith in God and decided to help him. He collected money from his employees and friends and even gave part of his own salary to support Lencho. Hint: helped secretly. 34. Why did the postmaster collect money for Lencho? Answer: the postmaster collected money for Lencho because he was deeply moved by Lencho's strong faith in God. He wanted to help Lencho and ensure that his faith in God remained unbroken. Hint: wanted to preserve faith. 35. What qualities of the postmaster impress you most? Answer: the qualities of the postmaster that impress me most are his kindness, generosity, and helpful nature. He showed sympathy towards Lencho and helped him without expecting anything in return. Hint: compassion and generosity. 36. What message does a letter to God give? Answer: a letter to God gives the message that faith and hope can help people face difficult situations. It also teaches us the importance of kindness, generosity, and helping others in times of need. Hint: faith plus humanity plus irony. 37. How is faith presented in the story? Answer: faith is presented in the story through Lencho's strong belief in God. Even after his crops were destroyed by the hailstorm, he did not lose hope and wrote a letter to God asking for help, believing that God would surely help him. Hint: unshakable trust in God. 38. How does the story show conflict between man and nature? Answer: the story shows conflict between man and nature through the hailstorm that destroys Lencho's crops. Although Lencho worked very hard in his fields, the powerful forces of nature ruined all his efforts and brought suffering to his family. Hint: hailstorm versus farmer. 39. These aren't raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins. A. Who said this? Answer: Lencho said this. B. Why were the raindrops compared to coins? Answer: the raindrops were compared to coins because Lencho believed that the rain would bring a good harvest and earn money for his family. C. What irony followed this happiness? Answer: the irony was that the rain, which first brought happiness and hope, soon changed into a destructive hailstorm that completely destroyed Lencho's crops. Hint: rain first joyful, later destructive. 40. But don't send it to me through the mail because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks. A. Who wrote these words? Answer: Lencho wrote these words. B. Why did he say this? Answer: he said this because he received only 70 pesos instead of the 100 pesos he had asked from God. He believed that the post office employees had stolen the remaining money. C. Was his accusation justified? Answer: no, his accusation was not justified because the post office employees were actually kind and helpful. They had collected money to help Lencho. Hint: biggest irony. 41. What faith? I wish I had the faith of the man. A. Who said this? Answer: the postmaster said this. B. Whose faith is referred to? Answer: Lencho's faith in God is referred to. C. Why was the speaker impressed? Answer: the postmaster was impressed because Lencho had complete and unshakable faith in God. Even in a difficult situation, he strongly believed that God would help him. Hint: postmaster admired Lencho. 42. What role does irony play in the story? Answer: irony plays an important role in the story because the post office employees helped Lencho by collecting money for him, but instead of thanking them, Lencho called them a bunch of crooks. This unexpected situation creates irony in the story. Hint: helpers blamed as thieves.